Hey girl, hey, my name is Sunshine and you're watching Schedule and Save, where we schedule every minute and save every penny because what? Time is money. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how I categorize, or should I say recategorize my cash envelopes. Because right now they're just randomly, well, not randomly, they're in alphabetical order. The gold is my favorite. It starts with C, ends with H. This one starts with H and ends with T. And I have not been using, well, I have been using this as a social media planner, but I'm going to do my everyday cash envelopes in here. So when I'm places and I'm out, I can just grab that and won't have to pay myself back when I get home. I can just grab it out of the envelope. So that's going to be my everyday cash binder. This one's going to be my short-term cash binder, and this is going to be my long-term cash binder. Okay, I'm also creating more cash envelopes with some of these that I have left from last time. So let's create more of those. And then we'll get to stuffing. So I had a LASIK that I was saving up for, but I'm no longer making that a priority. So we're going to take the LASIK one out. And credit card, I've already paid that off. So, and I'm not using that credit card anymore. So we're going to take that out and we're going to use these and these other two that I have left. Okay, so I need one that says, and y'all, my binders have the category up here at the top, because I look at it this way when I'm budgeting. I look at it this way, and that's how I read it. But I noticed that some people have theirs across here, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I might try it. I might try it with my everyday binder. We'll see. So for my everyday binder, what's going to go in here is, I want a food category. I don't know if I want gold or black. And on these I got both. But anyway, let's go with gold. Why not? So I need one for food. See, they're not really big enough to scroll across here like that. So let's just continue putting it up here then. Can y'all see that? Do I need to move this binder out of the way? Okay, so now we're gonna grab some budget sheets. And the category is gonna be food, of course. Food is when I'm on lunch break and I won't overspend. I have a budget to go by. So that's gonna be the food binder. The next category, I don't know if I want to make a personal binder. Well, I could just write down on a description if I'm using for hair or beauty. But I want one for hair. Do they have a personal? Okay, they have a shopping. I don't know. I'm going to think about that one for a second. Let's move on and make one for bank deposits. So they have one that says bank, but none that says, okay, they got deposit. So I want the one that says bank, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to go with bank. So take this credit card one off. And the only reason I had a credit card was to help me with my credit. So, and it was. So, I might apply for another one in the future, but for right now, I'm not going to. So, we're just going to use this one that says bank. Or I could use this one that says bank for my coins, because I want one that says coins. So I could just empty my coins at the end of the week. So this bank one will be coins, where I put my coins, since they don't have a coin category, and I don't need a budget sheet for coins. I could just put it in there though, because I'm not going to be counting my coins. I'm just going to throw them in there and count them later at the end of the week. Okay, so we got bank, food. Okay, then we go get one that says deposit. The one that says deposit is going to be the one that I deposit in the bank. Ooh, this one that says spending too, that I can use for my... Y'all, I'm still trying to decide if I want one that says hair or one that says spending. I think I'm going to just make it spending. This one's going to be deposit. These not even punched out yet. Okay, so I did it upside down. Alright, so this one's deposit. And I'm going to make one more. And it's going to say spending on this one. Whether it's for hair, lipstick, Bath and Body Works, whatever. So, wait, let's make sure it's not upside down. And I love this nail set, y'all. I do my own nails. And I was actually inspired by some press-on nails that I saw somewhere. So I just took a screenshot and was like, ooh, I want to do my nails like that. So I'll show y'all the inspo pic if I remember. This ain't about nails. This not a nail video. but I might just include that in here. All right, and this one's gonna say what spending okay, and then I like to put those in alphabetical order, as you already know. So these are going in this folder in the back. I have to take some of this out. Like I say, I use it for social media planning. I just keep paper clips right here, some sticky note pads. This paper right here has my passwords and accounts, sign in accounts and passwords. So I just keep that tucked in there along with this sticky note pad. And let's see, we're gonna throw these in the back. All right, so everyday binder is done. This is gonna be my short-term binder. Short-term binder is what I touch more often, and long-term is the ones I don't get money from that often. So car, it's gonna be short-term. Clothing, I don't buy clothes all that much. Family fun, we go out a lot. Giving, no, because this is for family. I save up in case my mom or my parents need anything. Health, I'm not going to be using that as much either. So let's see. We might move that to long term. And let's see. Household, I'm always buying some for the house. So that's going to go short term. Kids, it's going to go long term. So they can stay in here. Makeup, I don't buy makeup that often. I should change that to beauty. So that's going to stay in here. Nail art. I don't really buy stuff out of there a lot either. Savings, no. Trash pickup, yes. Okay, let's see. So, order for short term, car, family fun, giving, household, trash pickup. Okay, let's do it like that. So clothing, I'm gonna go up here. And put health right here. All right, y'all, so that's all categorized. So I did print some of these out because I don't like how open that is. And then these are too small, but I can reprint them and do that like I wanna. I can print them the right size. So let's write in pencil. This is long. Long term. And this one's gonna be, of course, short term. So, all right, y'all. So that's all categorized. Now let's move on to the actual cash stuffing my low income budget because I work part-time. All right, let's go. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.